All right, let's do one application problem. So Whispering Gallery is constructed with a maximum ceiling height of 20 feet. The distance between foci is 30 feet. Estimate the length of the room. So if you guys don't know what a Whispering Gallery is, it is a room whose acoustics are such that if I stand on one side and you stand on the other, we can whisper and still be able to hear each other, even though it's a pretty big room. It's pretty nifty. Google it if you want. So this is going to be half of an ellipse. So we've got a floor, and we can pretend we're on a coordinate plane. And our Whispering Gallery goes like this. Remember, that is supposed to be an ellipse. We all know I can't draw. So this is the origin, which is our center. And remember, we sort of have the other piece of our oval is down here, but not really relevant to us. So the maximum ceiling height is 20 feet. So it's 20 right there. And the distance between the foci is 30 feet. So right here and right here are the foci. So the whole distance from here to there is 30 feet. If it's 30 feet, then how far is it from just the center to the focus? Well, it should be 15 because the center should be in the middle. This is important. Remember, the distance from the center to the focus is our C. And we know that the foci are on the x-axis because we have to have two of them, and since we have a floor that we're walking on, there's no way that the foci can be on the y-axis. So that means that this distance here from the center to the tallest part of the ceiling is our B, and it's 20. So we want to know how long the whole room is. So what we need is the distance from vertex 1 to vertex 2. So we need how long that pink section is that I just made. So to find that, we need to know what A is, right? Because A is always the distance from the vertex to the center. So to find A, we know B squared is A squared minus C squared. We know what B is. It's 20. We know that C is 15. And so now we just do some arithmetic. So 20 squared is 400. 15 squared is 225. If we add 225 to both sides, we come up with 625 is A squared. Square root both sides. That means that 25 is A. Now remember, A is the distance from a vertex to the center. But that's only halfway across the ellipse. So the maximum length the room can be is 2A, or 2 times 25, which is 50 feet. Okay, I know I said I would show you a video of how to graph an ellipse using MyLabs, but when I looked in the homework, I realized that I didn't put a problem where you have to graph it by hand. You just have to match graphs up. So I don't need to show you how to do that. So this is all for section 7.3. In the next videos, we will start section 7.4.